Hello everyone, my name's Brandon from Radical Neon. Some of you may know me, some of you may not. So we're doing something a little bit different here today. We've gone ahead and designed a retro Venice Beach neon sign. So if you come in and have a look, what we're going to do is a collaboration. We've got neon, print, combine. Neon, print, combine. Neon, print, combine. You get the idea. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to make this neon out at Venice Beach. So what we're going to need is portable workbench, acrylic, digital print, LED neon, pretty. And of course we're just going to need our essential tools because we want to pack light because we are literally going down to the beach to make this, maybe the skate park, who knows. So we're going to need the essentials, which is our drill, gas torch, solder, my favourite knife, glue, and of course beer for afterwards when the party's going to happen. So let's go chuck this in the car and let's go do it. Right, let's go to our new workshop out at Venice Beach. It's going to take us about 40 minutes to get there, but we are ready, we are ready. Sometimes we forget that we're in a giant pink truck. People always stare and you go, what the fuck are you looking at? And then we realise. And here we are. Let's go do it.
What do you got to say for yourself?
I've never made a neon sign out on the beach before, but it should be fun. Right, I think we've found our spot, our new workshop. Who needs a workshop when you've got the beach? So it's a bit small, lucky they've got adjustable legs. So first things first, come in a little bit closer so you can see. First things first, we're going to flame these edges. What that does is it eliminates any of the sharp edges on the acrylic.
Is that $20 Amazon quality, yeah?
Amazon, yeah. It's not very good, but it works. It works for this. This table is tiny, but it's working for us. All right, we're done with the acrylic. All right, now we just need to trim this. I'm going to go in without a ruler. Can he do the curve? Can he do the curve? It's not very good, but it'll do. It'll do. Sun's gone down. Don't need my glasses anymore. Before we get into it.
Oh, with the cup? With the cup even?
This one's actually for you.
Cheers.
Let's lay this vinyl. Slice it off. Make sure she's still in line. I hate wind so much. Doesn't this look exactly like Venice Beach? And there we have it. So now that's the foundation that we're going to lay the LED neon on top of. It's going to look great. Transformer. There's a bottle opener. You see?
There you go.
That sounds good. So is this beer. Alright, let's get into it. Now, what we're going to do here is apply the LED neon to the board. There. That's the power cord. Life's a beach. Wait, this glue here, it's indestructible. You don't want it on your skin. Now, you've got to be really accurate with this because once it's on, it's on. It's never coming off.